Chapter 13. Perimeter and Area. Perimeter and Area. Today I am going to teach you about perimeter and area. Does anybody know what is perimeter? No, teacher? The word peri in Greek means around and meter means measure. Therefore, perimeter means measuring around a figure or a curve. Remember, we can find the perimeter of a closed figure or a closed curve only. Look at the figure I have drawn on the board. If we start from A, move along AB, then BC, and then CA, we reach back the starting point A. Only in a closed figure it is possible. Thus, the perimeter of this figure is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 3 cm plus 5 cm plus 4 cm is equal to 12 cm. Now, look at another figure. Here, if we start A, we will end up at D. We cannot come back at A, so we cannot find its perimeter because it is an open figure. Perimeter of a square. Square is a closed figure in which all the sides are equal and all the angles are right angle. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. For example, find the perimeter of a square whose side is 5 meter. We know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20 meter. Perimeter of a rectangle. Rectangle is a closed figure which resembles a square except that in a square all sides are equal. However, in a rectangle only opposite sides are equal. The longer side of a rectangle is called the length and the shorter side is called the breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. For example, find the perimeter of a rectangle of sides 3 cm and 5 cm. We know that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into 3 plus 5. 2 into 8 is equal to 16 cm. Perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of all the length of all three sides. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the length of three sides. For example, find the perimeter of a triangle having sides 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm respectively. We know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the length of three sides. 3 cm plus 4 cm plus 5 cm is equal to 12 cm. Remember, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. Area. The measurement of the region enclosed by a plane figure is called the area of the figure. Area of regular figures. As we need standard or fixed units of length, weight and capacity, we need a standard unit to measure the area. In the given figure, the rectangle contains 18 squares, so we can say the area of rectangle is 18 squares. The area of each square of the square sheet is 1 cm into 1 cm is equal to 1 square centimeter. Thus, the area of rectangle ABCD is equal to 18 square centimeters. Remember, the area will be in square millimeter when each side is 1 millimeter. Square centimeter when each side is 1 centimeter. Square meter when each side is 1 meter. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. For example, find the area of a rectangle which is 146 centimeter long and 72 centimeter broad. The length of the rectangle is equal to 146 centimeter. The breadth of the rectangle is 72 centimeter. So, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth is equal to 146 into 72 is equal to
10,512 square centimeter.
Area of a square. Area of a square is equal to side into side. For example, find the area of a square of side 36 centimeter. Area of a square is equal to side into side is equal to 36 into 36 is equal to 996 square centimeter. Remember, it is not necessary that every figure having the same area should have the same shape. Look at the following shapes and their areas. In figure A, length is equal to 12 centimeter and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. So, area is equal to 12 into 1 is equal to 12 square centimeter. In figure B, length is equal to 6 centimeter and breadth is equal to 2 centimeter. So, area is equal to 6 into 2 is equal to 12 square centimeter. In figure C, length is equal to 4 centimeter and breadth is equal to 3 centimeter. So, area is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12 square centimeter. Thus, we find that a given area can have different combinations of length and breadth. Area of irregular shapes. We have learned how to find the area of a square and a rectangle, but there may some shapes which are not rectangular or square. For example, find the area of the given figure. To find the area of this figure, we can divide the figure in two rectangles and find the area of them separately and add the areas of the complete figure. Area of rectangle A is equal to 12 into 4 is equal to 48 square centimeter. Area of rectangle B is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10 square centimeter. Total area is equal to 48 plus 10 is equal to 58 square centimeter.